Cat report, Mr. Williams. Good morning. Good morning. This is smell like church. Cat report highlights from May 20th of 2009 is as follows. The staff provided an update on the transit security, including plans for the Green Line. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. I see some of the CAT committee members in the audience in case I'm going verbatim and from memory, so if you have any questions on it. Under the CAT bylaws, the CAT have proposed several additional revisions to the bylaws at their April meeting. CAT reviewed the proposed additions with legal staff and reported back to CAT. CAT made a recommendation to approve the proposed changes to the bylaws as presented, and those bylaws will be forwarded to the TriMet board for approval. Staff reviewed space management issues on Max and the West and provided an update on the Type 4 light rail vehicle. CAT had some concerns regarding the entry into the Type 4 light rail vehicles, and I'm really happy to say that staff looked at that very hard and is looking at making some changes, and that was, they came back and reported on that. Recommendation was made by CAT to authorize the CAT Executive Committee to send a letter to the board indicating that the CAT asked the board to begin to address solutions to the problem of safety and access to the priority seating areas on low-floor Max vehicles and providing service to the elderly and the people with disabilities. Once you receive this, you'll have a better understanding as to what it entails, but just basically what they're asking in that is that how do we get people to respect the elderly and disabled in the seating areas where it has been somewhat designated for them when they enter the trains. CAT will develop a list of ideas for consideration at the June 2nd public work session to include in the letter. TriMet Wise program, staff provided on an update on the administrative changes with the TriMet portion of the Wise program. For those of you that don't know, the Wise program is one that we were talking about today in our previous meeting, that helps the elderly and disabled learn to ride both sticks and lift surface. So with that, I think that will conclude my overview.
Okay, thank you, Bob. Questions? Very good, thanks.